Again, so we have reached exercise 12, which is to reverse a string using an array of strings. So we need to read 5 words separated by spaces. So we need to use scanf, and each word will place it in an element of the array, and then we'll display it in one line, but in reverse order. So it's a very easy exercise. So we need 5 strings. So let's call it A. Array A, it contains 5, and each string, let's say that it contains size elements. So we need a counter I because we need to loop, and I think this is it. We don't need no more. So we need first to read the first character. So we loop from I equal to 0 to 5. So I don't like to use 5, so let me define a number here. I++, and then I need to enter, let's scanf directly, percentage s, and here we have a of I, and let's place a small message, printf, enter, percentage d words, and here we will place nb. So the user will enter 5 words here, and then I need to display them in reverse order. So I will start from nb minus 1, I is greater or equal to 0, and I minus, and I will do printf, percentage s space a of I, and let's see if it works. So run, enter 5 words, hello, how are you? So those are 5 words separated by space. So we will display them in reverse order, and it's very easy exercise. So this is it for this exercise. If you have any question, do not hesitate to write to me, and I will answer you back. And again, thanks for watching.